Hi, thanks for joining me for another session here at Stock Spotlight, sponsored by Chaikin Analytics. My name is Pete Carmasino, and today's stock is Foot Locker. So when I go to the chart of Foot Locker, we like to start from the bottom up here at Chaikin, and we see a bullish power gauge rating really preceded the relative strength breakout. And if you notice, I'll condense this power gauge for just 1 second. You can see the relative strength was negative for quite some time, started to get a little bit stronger. Our Chaikin money flow here, invented by Mark Chaikin many years ago, was sort of in a tug of war between positive and negative. But the stock based and then broke out of a base after testing what one might call support that was formed by prior resistance levels here. So the stock having broken out of its June high, getting above that $35 level, while in an oversold state, so to speak, on our system, with strong relative strength, and the power gauge has turned bullish, actually very bullish at this point, in a strong industry, and its trend is strengthening, is an excellent way to start taking advantage of names potentially like Foot Locker. Our members were able to find Foot Locker in the $33 to $34 level using our screening capability. We have ways to screen for stocks that are breaking out of relative strength, where power gauge ratings are changed or changing. And you can add these to your watch list and then monitor for setups like this oversold idea at this level. And if you look at the power gauge, a power gauge is 20 factors. These four head categories are financials, earnings, technicals, and experts. And you look at each category underlying here, and you can see we're in a very bullish stance on the financials. Experts are all leaning toward the bull side, except for the short interest category. Again, this could be potential short squeeze. Again, not saying it's going to be, but when you see that kind of level of high level of short interest against the stock, where estimates and analyst trends and rating trends are increasing, stocks breaking out of what could be, certain level types of patterns here, you get a good indication of what the future might be on a name like Foot Locker. But our users are able to take advantage of all of our technology here in the screener, which enables you to find names like that. And one other thing I'm going to show is our new feature here at Chaikin Analytics dashboard, which brings front and center a lot of different ideas here. So my watch list is called A1 watch list because I want it to be at the top of my list. And these are stocks that I'm either following or have a position in, and I kind of monitor them on a 1-day change, 1 week, 1 month. You can choose whatever you'd like. And then we have different ideas here. We have stocks that are changing trend that we consider bullish personality changes. We have a name called Analyst Darlings. You can get through these lists very quickly. And more importantly, our morning insights written by Dan Russo and our market insights written by Mark Chaikin are really front and center for you to see on a daily basis and on a weekly basis. So you get all of this with your subscription, including the newsletters, which we've heard many times are worth the price of the software. But you know what? We're able to allow you to take a trial to experience this for yourself. So with a 2-week trial, it's as simple as going to a link that I'm about to share with you. And the link is chaikinanalytics.com/stock spotlight. Head over there, test drive our software for 2 weeks. You get full access, including the newsletters, the dashboard, the screener, and all of the tutorials and training that you want to attend. We do 4 classes a week, and tutorials are there pre-recorded for your viewing ease, so you can look at it at any time, morning, noon, or night. So head on over to chaikinanalytics.com/stock spotlight. Take your trial. Come join us. Take a test drive.